Ever wondered how to tie your own flies for fishing? The art of fly tying may seem daunting at first, but it's a skill that can be mastered with patience, practice, and the right guidance. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of fly tying. First things first, gather the necessary tools and materials. A vise, bobbin, scissors, and a range of materials like feathers, fur, and thread are the basic needs. You'll also need hooks, of course. Choose them based on the type of fish you're aiming to catch. Now onto the actual process. Start by fixing your hook in the vise. Make sure it's secure and doesn't wobble. Now take the thread and attach it to the hook with a simple knot. Wind the thread down the hook's shank, creating a neat base for your fly. The next step is to select your tail material. This could be a feather, fur, or synthetic material. Attach it to the hook with the thread, winding it up towards the hook's eye. Remember, the tail should be roughly the same length as the hook. Now, it's time to add the body. This can be made from various materials such as dubbing, tinsel, or even peacock herl. Wrap this material around the thread and then wind it up the hook shank, creating a robust and attractive body. The wings come next. Select your wing material, attach it to the hook, and secure it with the thread. Make sure the wings are proportionate to the rest of the fly. Finally, create the head with the thread, winding it neatly around the hook's eye. Cut the thread, secure it with a knot, and voila, you've tied a fly. So to recap, start by setting up your workspace and gathering your materials. Fix the hook in the vise and attach the thread. Add the tail, body, and wings, each time securing them with the thread. Finish off by creating the head, cutting the thread, and tying it off. Fly tying is a skill that requires patience and precision. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start with simple patterns and gradually move on to more complex ones as you get more comfortable. It's a rewarding hobby that not only enhances your fishing experience but also connects you with nature in a unique way. So why not give it a shot? You may find that tying your own flies adds a whole new dimension to your fishing adventures. Thanks for joining in on this journey through the art of fly tying. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts. Until next time, happy tying!